Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can reset your account on iDrive, for example to reset it to its factory or default settings, and also to clean your entire account, for example the backup as well as the drive online, and that refers also to the desktop application of iDrive. So let us get started. Head over to iDrive.com, log into your account and navigate to my account here to the left. And after that, here under preferences, you will see this option, reset my account. Click into it. And remember guys, as previously mentioned, if you decide to do this, your entire data and content stored in your backup and drive online will be deleted. And that is irreversible guys. So remember also that you will get asked to enter your password here below. And only if you do this guys, you'll be given the opportunity to reset your entire account. Now I did this just a moment ago prior to that tutorial, and all files and folders within my backup have been deleted from my account. So that's how you reset your account on iDrive guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.